Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I'm excited because we have a new box to the channel and it is the AIA Beauty Bundle, the American Influencer Award. So let's get in here and see what it's all about. This is a new box to the channel and they reached out and asked if I would like to have a box for review and I said yes for several reasons. The first reason, these products look fantastic and I can't wait to get in here and see what this month is all about. The box comes out bi-monthly and each bi-monthly box they work with one brand. So I believe I have Manicadar here, but next month it's a full Purlisse watermelon brand and they're gonna do body and face and it sounds fantastic. I am already kind of excited about that. But another reason that I said yes, in addition to the awesomeness, is they are sponsoring a giveaway on my channel for a $500 beauty bundle. How awesome is that? So I'm gonna run it just like I do all my other giveaways. Just like this video, comment below. Somewhere in your comment, be sure and write enter me so I know that you want to be entered, because like I always say, I know some people are just showing the channel love and they don't necessarily want to be entered, but it is for a $500 beauty bundle. I'm gonna try and put a picture right here of it and they're gonna send it to you. I'm gonna pick the winner and they're going to send it to you. So all the same rules as usual. I will put them down below also, but you have to be 18, a US resident, like, comment on this video, subscribe to me. And in addition to that, for this one, you need to go over to Insta and follow AIA. I will put all of their information below. I will put the information about the giveaway below. And finally, they have also given me a discount code for you guys. So I will put the link below along with my discount code, which is just Kathryn, and you can pop over and check them out. So let me tell you, if you sign up and you have it come monthly, it is $34 a month. If you prepay for 6 months, you will get 3 boxes, so they will be $32 a month, and you'll pay $96. So as I'm cutting into this, let me tell you that they don't just do skincare, they also do hair care and cosmetics. They've had a Guy Tang box, and like I said, the next box is gonna be a Purlisse watermelon box. How awesome does that sound? Let's open it up and get right in here and see what we've got. This is what it looks like. And it says on top, be strong, be beautiful, be you. That is awesome. And then it's AIAawards.com. And like I said, I will put the link below. And this is going to tell us all of the products that we have. And it is indeed the Manicadar month. So I am really excited about that. We got probably a year ago in a FabFitFun a Manicadar body scrub that was awesome and it smelled so good. So I haven't tried, I think maybe one lippy once, but as a rule I haven't tried her product, so this is all new to me and that's always fun too. All right, let's look at this paperwork. And each month, your box will be worth more than $100. The front of this says, hey Mana Babes, I'm thrilled to be partnering with the AIA Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. I hope you enjoy your Manicadar beauty goodies, as these are some of our favorite products. And again, this will tell us everything we need to know on the back. So let's just dig right in and see what we've got. I know I went through so much information so fast at the beginning. If you have any questions, be sure and let me know below. I will answer anything I can. Like I said, this is new to me too, so we'll learn together. So the first product is the Manicadar Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist. And that's what that looks like. Isn't that so pretty? It is 6.08 fluid ounces, and it is skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm. You know, I am always looking for something to calm my face. Light formula provides hydration before and after makeup application, and it has a $19 retail value. Well, let's give this a try. Oh, that smells nice. Oh my goodness, I think I would like that all over my entire body. That is so refreshing. It is very floral. Oh, that smells so good. I've already made one video today, so this is my second. And this room, I've told you guys, is so hot. That feels fantastic. It smells good too. All right, we're off to a great start. Reaching in next, or right on top, I have the Luxe Lash Serum. Lashes appear thicker. It gives a shinier and healthier look to your lashes before and after. I always look at these and think, man, I would just be happy with the before lashes. Ooh, and when I take it out, it's so pretty. Look, it has a little gemstone on the top, and that is what it looks like, all nice and pink. This says it has a $29 retail value. Wow. So just with the first 2 products that I've shown you, we've paid for the box, and I have 4 more products. The Luxe Lash Serum is made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller and longer, healthier set. That is interesting. I wonder when you use it. Let me see if I can find out. Apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. Allow serum to dry completely before applying additional lash products. Okay, so we're going to use this before we put on our mascara. We just have to let it dry. Let's get in here and see what it looks like, because I am definitely going to use this. I will do anything that promises to give me better lashes. Oh wow, it is a really full brush, but it's just got a clear liquid on it. That is really interesting. It just smells kind of clean. I don't know why I sniffed it or what I expected it to smell like. Anyway, it does though. It smells kind of clean. It doesn't have a mascara-y smell. It's actually quite a nice scent. Reaching in next, I have a Mascara Beauty Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. That's interesting. Priming and stain. Let's check this out. This is the Mana Step 3 Beauty Simplified Lip Locked in Sienna. And that's what that looks like. You know what? I only have, this is just the house lip gloss that came in, I think, my Ipsy bag. So we will just put this right over that and see what we've got. It is a little more neutrally brown than I would normally choose for me. But I kind of like it. Do you guys like it? It's kind of nude, but it's got just a little bit of warmth to it. This is going to work, especially moving into fall. I like that color. It smells nice. Kind of slightly sweet, not like overly cookied. Just a nice sweet smell. And it feels nice. So I'm not sure if it's meant to dry down, and now I won't do it because I've put it over other lip gloss, but it feels nice. This says, built-in primer for long wear and smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a lip stain. Let's see, I probably won't get the stain because, like I said, I put it over a gloss. Infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. It has a retail value of $24. And again, that is what that looks like. It feels nice though. Reaching in next, I have Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara. So that's cool. So we have our primer, and so we're going to make them long, and then we're going to keep them long. I'm intrigued. Again, with the before and after. I wish I was even just the before. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it kind of has like a square feel to it. It's kind of a different vibe than a lot of mascaras. That is really cool looking. Let's open this and see what it looks like. Wow, that is a big brush. I will give this a try, but can you guys tell that is a big brush? And you know, I usually use smaller brushes. I always talk about getting this on my eyelids. I just watched somebody's vlog the other day, one of the people that I follow. If I can remember who it is, I will put it here, who said, when you get mascara on your eyelid, let it dry, and then just take your spoolie and sweep over it with your spoolie, and it takes it right off. It would make using bigger brushes so much more worthwhile for me if that was the case, because I feel like when I use bigger brushes, I do get it on my eyelids more. This says that is a $29 retail value. Turn It Up mascara, rich, creamy, long wearing, and it won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. The custom wand reaches every part of your lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. All right, well, we will definitely try that. Next, I have the Mascara Step 3 Perfect Uptown Bronzer and Blush. Interesting, bronzer and blush. I wonder if it's two or one that I can use as both. And when I take it out, and it was so secured in there, that is so awesome. That is what it looks like. We open it. Oh, it's both. That's pretty. It's a little dark for me. We'll swatch it and see how we do. I can definitely wear this. While it's dark, see how it just gives, that is a great color. That is a really, I would argue that's a universal color. If you're lighter skinned, I don't know how dark, let's see if I can build it up some. I don't know how dark it would get. Oh no, it does build. Nope, definitely builds. That is awesome. All right, let's try the bronzer right next to it. The bronzer is even creamier. Oh, that is pretty. See, I don't usually choose highlighting bronzers, but that is so pretty that even if I didn't use it as a highlighter, how gorgeous would that be as an eyeshadow? So pretty. I am so glad. You know, I told you guys a month or two ago that I was going to start trying more things that I didn't think were my color, like these lips, which are a little more warm than I would choose, or these, which are a little more warm than I would choose, but they're gorgeous. I can definitely wear that. I am so glad that I have started trying more things. Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo, retail $24. Multi-purpose, time-saving compact, can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. See, that's what I'm saying. Features two textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and glowing finish. So you could do an eye look with that. I like it. Reaching in last, I have the Mascara HD Perfecting Powder. And that is what that looks like. So let me know below what you guys think of this. What do you think of a beauty box that just does one brand but does several products from the brand? This gives you a really great idea if this is a brand that you think you like. And while I definitely haven't tried everything that I have tried, I really like the feel of it. And this just looks just like the other one. Oh, it's pretty. It's the Perfecting Powder, and see how it's just got a little bit of texture to it? Before I put this on my face or my hand, let's see what they say about it. HD Pressed Perfecting Powder, $29 retail value. Create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day. Okay, so they want me to put this over my makeup. Well, let's do that. I just reached down for a brush I have handy, and it is absolutely not the brush that I would normally choose for this job. It is a little small. Oh, that picked up great. A little bit of kick up, not much considering it's a powder. What will do my nose? You can see where my glasses have been. The most annoying part of glasses. But I always say it's so warm up in this room that I tape in that I get a little bit of a shine as the videos go on. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell, and it really knocked the shine back, and I like that. I think it smells good too. It does. It just has kind of a nice, fresh scent to it. I like that. Okay, so that is it for my first American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. And like I said, this was the Mascara. In the past, they've done like hair ones, but they did a whole Guy Tang box. Next box, which will be August, September, they're going to do a full Perlice watermelon box with face and body in it, which I think sounds fantastic. Okay, so in this box, we received the Perfecting Powder, the Bronzer and Blush Duo, the Lash Serum, and then the Mascara, the Lip Gloss, Lip Stain, and this nice hydration mist, which I am already ready to do again because it is so warm taping in this room, which, by the way, I did at the beginning of the video and I have had absolutely no reaction to it. And you guys know, if I have a problem with something, I will react quickly to it and no issues. All right, let me know below what you guys think about this. And don't forget, they are sponsoring a $500 beauty bundle giveaway on my channel. And all you have to do is like this video, comment on it with Enter Me, so I know you want to be entered. You have to be 18, have a US address, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to their AIA channel, which I will put below. Actually, I will put all of the rules below in case I've forgotten any of them here. We'll leave this open for 2 weeks, so we'll close it on Friday, July 31st at 5 p.m. Eastern. We'll make that our cutoff, and then I just let them know after I've picked the winner, and they will send the box out to you directly. And also, if you have any interest in checking it out, I will put the link below, and with my code Kathryn, you will receive a discount. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over to the channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys, and I'll see you soon.